We've all been there. You start a complex project, open a dozen tabs, and feel completely paralyzed by how much there is to read. You go to a search engine hoping for a simple answer, and it hands you 3 million more pages to sort through. Imagine an intern who never sleeps. You hand them a massive stack of reports, and in seconds they read, sort, and organize everything. We no longer spend days hunting for scattered data points. Instead, we look directly at the big picture and make connections. The old method was trying to find a needle in a haystack. The new method is asking an assistant to map every single piece of hay for you. Google built software specifically designed for this kind of heavy lifting, including tools like NotebookLM and Gemini Deep Research. Learning to guide these tools helps you push past that initial wall of noise, so you can focus on making sense of the information rather than trying to find it. Because the software handles the initial rote reading, professionals can skip the busy work and jump straight into high-level analysis. A marketer, for example, can feed 50 pages of scattered competitor reviews into an AI and instantly see a summary of the top 3 customer complaints. We're starting to see a shift toward automated assistants. You don't just ask them a question. You give them a set of instructions, and they carry out those steps for you, like a digital partner working in the background. This report shows exactly what happens when you automate that data gathering. Look at the text block here on the right. We are seeing a 168% year-over-year growth in the demand for human critical thinking. As the software takes over the research, your role evolves. You become a high-level auditor. You review the output, looking for flawed assumptions the AI might have made, and you apply the nuanced business context that a machine simply does not have. The technology clears the desk so that your judgment is the only thing left to focus on. Let's look at how to set up a safe workspace in NotebookLM, where the AI only focuses on your specific information. First, you upload your raw notes, PDFs, and reports into a private digital workspace. The AI only pulls from these files. Next, give it a high-level instruction to act as a critical partner, finding logic blind spots and pressure testing assumptions. When it generates a response, it includes small citation numbers next to its claims. You click a number, and it takes you straight to the exact sentence in your original document, so you can verify the information yourself. Building this verifiable system means you don't have to guess if it's making things up. You get clean, trustworthy insights ready for high-stakes projects. When you hand off the mechanical process of finding and sorting information, your brain is fully free to focus on strategic decisions. This workflow allows one person to handle the kind of deep organization and cross-referencing that used to take days of manual page-turning. This document on the screen shows how valuable this skill has become to employers. This text details the Google AI Professional Certificate, a program built to teach users how to master practical AI applications, like data analysis and project planning. Once you have those airtight insights in hand, the next logical step is sharing them. Next, we'll look at how AI can help you turn your research into clear, persuasive communication.